This viral TikTok spicy bowl is the snack of the summer, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. First, in a bowl, add 12 large peeled and deveined shrimp. Then drizzle a bit of olive oil on the shrimp. Season the shrimp with 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, 1 teaspoon of Cajun Seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Toss the shrimp in the seasonings until they're well coated. When you're finished, set the shrimp to the side. Next, add olive oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Then add sliced smoked sausages in the pan. Cook the sausages for 3 to 5 minutes per side or until browned and slightly crispy. When you finish cooking the sausages, remove them from the pan. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Use the butter to deglaze the bottom of the saucepan if necessary. Once the butter is melted, add some olive oil. Then add the seasoned shrimp in the pan and cook them for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Once the shrimp have finished cooking, remove them from the pan. Next, add 3 tablespoons of butter in the pan. Once the butter is melted, add 1 cup of vegetable broth. Then mix in a 1/4 cup of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Once everything is mixed together, let the sauce simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. When you finish making the sauce, you can go ahead and assemble your spicy bowl. For the spicy bowl, you'll need sliced pickles, banana peppers, pickled jalapeños, boiled eggs, red pepper flakes, and paprika. Now, in a large bowl, add a 1/4 cup of pickle juice, a 1/4 cup of banana pepper juice, and a 1/4 cup of jalapeno juice. Then add some pickles, banana peppers, and jalapeños in the bowl. Now add half of the sliced sausages, half of the cooked shrimp, and 1 boiled egg. Then sprinkle some crushed red pepper flakes and paprika on top. Next, repeat the same layers as before. When you're finished, pour the sauce in the bowl. Then cover the bowl and shake it until everything is mixed together and coated in the sauce. Now sprinkle some red pepper flakes, paprika, and parsley on top and you are all done. And this is the finished result. This spicy bowl is delicious, packed full of flavor, and super easy to make. And you can add whatever you want in your spicy bowl. I've seen people add chicken and crab. It also tastes delicious with some Ruffles, cheddar, and sour cream chips. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!